welcome to day 2 and letter B. So for this lovely dress, first of all, let me give a 360. You like what you see? So what I like about the dress, every single thing. I don't want to start mentioning every part of it, but every single thing from the top to the bottom of the dress, beautiful. Like beauty, and the material is gorgeous. It's amazing. It's a velvet material. All right. The size, it was a size 12 or a UK 16. And just for reference, I'm 5'9". So with the shopping experience, it was very easy, straight to the point. Of course, our brand name is Bibire International. So of course, she's going to offer you, international services. So go into our website, and if you're unable to check out, you can always send her a message on Instagram, and she's going to definitely respond to you. I'm going to style it. It's giving rich auntie vibe. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy, and I'm about to do a giveaway. So this giveaway is only for the people that are listening and paying attention and watching my videos to the end. I'm giving away $50 for whoever takes a guess on the brand I'm going to be doing tomorrow. Tomorrow is letter C, so take a guess for tomorrow. I'll see you guys there.